Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to a Webtoon series. If you love a Webtoon and don't want to miss new episodes on it, then you can easily subscribe to this series. So this way you'll get notifications when new chapters are released. First of all, launch open the Webtoon app on your Android or iOS device and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Webtoon, go ahead and select any series you'd like to subscribe from the home page, or you can also search for this specific series by tapping the search icon and then typing in the name of the series in the text box. After finding the series you'd like to subscribe, from the info section of the series, go ahead and tap on the subscribe button at the top right corner. After you do that, you will be able to subscribe to the specific series. Repeat this step for every other series you'd like to subscribe, and the series will then be entered in your subscribed list. To find your subscription list, go to the My button from the home page at the bottom right and then click on Subscribed at the top, and you'll be able to see all of the series that you've subscribed on the list. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.